Hello, today we will guide you through how to check website traffic in Semrush. To begin, open Semrush and go to the main home area. This is the starting point where you can access the platform's different SEO and analytics tools. If you are already signed in, you should land on the dashboard or home screen. From here, the goal is to navigate into the section that lets you review organic performance and traffic-related insights for a website. Once you are on the Semrush homepage, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on SEO. This section groups together the tools related to search engine visibility, rankings, and website performance. If you are new to Semrush, this menu can feel a little crowded at first, so take a moment to scan the labels carefully. Selecting SEO will open up more specific options underneath it. Next, click on Organic Research. In some interfaces, this may appear as the area for organic rankings. This tool is where Semrush shows estimated search performance data for a domain, including visibility and search results and traffic trends from organic search. It is an important section because it helps you understand how a website is performing without paid advertising, based on keyword rankings and estimated visits. After that, move to the search field and select or enter a sample domain. You can type in any website domain you want to analyze, then choose it from the suggestions if they appear. Make sure you enter only the domain itself for the cleanest results. This is the key step that tells Semrush which website you want to review. Once the domain is entered, Semrush will load the organic overview for that site. This is where you can check estimated website traffic and related search metrics. The data typically gives you a high-level snapshot, so it is useful for quickly comparing sites or getting a sense of a domain's search presence. Keep in mind that Semrush traffic numbers are estimates, not direct analytics, so they are best used for research and benchmarking rather than exact reporting. And that's it. By starting at the Semrush homepage, opening the SEO section, choosing Organic Research or Organic Rankings, and entering a domain, you can quickly check estimated website traffic in just a few clicks.